close. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola if you don't know me, and I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos here on my channel. I also love to blog, so if you love any of that, consider subscribing, click the notification bell, and follow me on social media. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you what I got at the Nordstrom anniversary sale. And I actually shopped in store. Normally I shop online, but I was very sad this time because a lot of the things that I wanted were not available online. They either sold out super fast or they weren't available in my size. I don't know why. I just feel like this year a lot of things in Nordstrom were either selling out super quick or they weren't available in different sizes. I think it's maybe because everybody's shopping online, but I actually ended up going in store and I found a bunch of good items. I am so excited. There was like a couple things that I really wanted and I wasn't able to get them because they sold out. One of them was the Rachel per se teddy bear coat, and that one was like super pretty. It was pink and it was fluffy. It was like perfect, but it sold out super fast and I wasn't able to get it. There is a very similar option that you can get in case you're looking for the same coat at Amazon, so I'm probably going to end up ordering it there because I really wanted like a teddy bear coat. There's also another sweater. It's like a cardigan. I forgot the brand. I'll list it here so you guys can see which one I'm talking about, but that one sold out super duper fast. Wasn't able to get it, but let me show you guys an alternative that I actually found at Walmart. So I got this one here and it's super pretty. It has like pockets. It's like mid-length cardigan. This is going to be like perfect for the fall. It's from the brand Time and True from Walmart and it was only $13. I mean, how can you beat that amazing price? And it looks really nice. The quality is great. So I'm actually very impressed and very happy that I got this. So I wasn't able to get the other one, but I was able to get this cardigan. Also at Walmart, I know this is a Nordstrom haul and I'm talking about Walmart, but I only have one more thing to share with you from Walmart because these are things that I wanted to get at Nordstrom and I wasn't able to. So I also got this really nice long sleeve. This is also from Walmart and I believe it was around $7. And it's really nice. It reminds me a lot of the Free People brand and it's really nice. It's gonna look great with like a jacket, like a puffer jacket. So yeah, I wanted to share with you guys those two things that I picked out at Walmart. So let's go ahead and move on to the Nordstrom haul. So at Nordstrom I picked up this gorgeous sweater. I am like so in love with this sweater. It's super pretty. It's from the brand Leith. The moment I saw it, I fell in love with it. It's from the brand Leith. And it has this really nice detail on the neck. You can wear this like off the shoulder and it looks incredible, or you can just wear it as a normal sweater and then you'll have this kind of like detail here on the neck area. But it's really pretty. It's so soft and it's in that perfect like blush pink color. Can't wait to wear this out with some boots. So also from Nordstrom I got this beautiful dress. And I don't even know if this was from the anniversary sale. I believe it was because the lady said it was on sale. But this is like the most prettiest dress ever. So I don't normally go for like floral dresses or floral tops. But this dress, the moment I saw it, I was like, I need this dress. And even though it has like floral colors, I think it would look incredible for the fall as well because it does have a little bit of like orange and like light brown. But look how gorgeous this dress is. It has this beautiful like detail here and it kind of ties It's like the perfect length. It's so soft. It is long sleeve, so this can be definitely used for the fall with like some over the knee boots. But I am like loving this dress. It's just so pretty. It reminds me of like the Love Shack brand. But this was like super affordable too. I forgot the price on this one. I believe it was like around $30. So I also ended up getting some over-the-knee boots. I know over-the-knee boots are super popular every fall, and I just needed to get some. So I ended up getting these black suede material over-the-knee boots. These are from the brand Steve Madden, and look how pretty these are. They are gorgeous. One thing I loved about these boots is that they don't have that like tie in the back. Because every time I get those kind of boots, they either fall down all the time, they don't stay in place, and these don't. So these are actually really nice. They also have this like rubber, I don't know if you guys can see it, like around it here to prevent it from slipping. So I am very excited. It has a zipper here on the side. The length is like perfection. It's like perfect for me, and it has that like pointed toe. So these are like so pretty, and I wanted to get these in that like beautiful like brown color, so I might get those too. But they're really pretty, and these were like super affordable compared to the other over-the-knee boots. So also from Steve Madden, I got some fluffy slippers. I don't have slippers. So I was actually like leaving the store, and then I happened to walk by that aisle where they had the slippers, and I was like, how did I miss these? So I went back and I got them, and wait till you guys see these. They are just so adorable. So these are the slippers. Look how cute these are. They're fluffy, they're pink, and they have these little like buttons here, like sparkly buttons. The sole of the slipper is pretty thick, and it looks like that, and it has these little like shapes to prevent from slipping. But I am like obsessed with these sandals. I can't wait to wear them. They are just so fluffy and very cute. So I also ended up getting a pair of combat boots. I know these are like super popular, and I was debating between getting black or white. I don't normally wear black that often, very rarely. There I am talking about black, and I'm wearing a black shirt. But I don't normally wear black a lot. I do have like a lot of pinks and neutrals and whites. So I ended up getting black combat boots because these were so pretty. I got these from the brand BP. And they also come in white with black detailing. I don't know, I might end up going back and getting those because I really love those as well. But these are the boots, and these are so pretty. They look incredible on. They are the perfect length. They have a zipper on the side, and they lace up like this, and I just really like them. I saw a lot of good reviews on these. These are like really good material, and I love the sole here because it has like that texture to prevent you from slipping. But these look so pretty on. When I tried them on, I fell in love with them. So like I said, I might end up getting the white ones. So I am a 7.5, and these are true to size. They're 7.5. They fit perfect. They're not narrow, thank goodness, because some boots are so narrow here that they hurt my feet. But these are just like perfect, and they look incredible. So yeah, that is everything that I got at the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I didn't pick out that many items, but the items that I picked out, I truly loved and highly recommend them. I'm going to leave you links to all the products that I mentioned in the description down below, as well as the 2 products from Walmart in case you guys want to get them. But I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day or your week, and I will see you all next time. Bye.